Hello deviants, welcome back. From the title, you already know what's gonna be in this video. So from the comments, I've been observing that many people are interested in knowing about my riding gloves. So without any delay, let's get directly into the topic. So like I already told you, I have two sets of my riding gears. So these are my first pair of riding gloves. They are from Viaterra. It's a pretty old brand actually, very famous with touring luggages like panniers, tank bags and stuff. So they make awesome gloves. So these are from Viaterra. So these are full gauntlet gloves, guys. So in gloves you get semi gauntlet and full gauntlet. The previous ones I had were Aspida Phaeton. Those were semi gauntlet. It's very crucial to get a full gauntlet gloves. I'll tell you why. First of all, let me wear this. So you know about my crash. So in my crash, when I woke up, I could see no gloves in my hands. They were completely bleeding. If you see here, my palm here was skinned off and a lot of tissue was abraded. I could almost see my bones. So they were rubbed on the tarmac too much. You can see here even near my knuckles. But to be honest, the gloves worked for 70% of the crash. So my hands were exposed only for 30%. But still it damaged my hands a lot. So imagine if I were to wear no gloves that day. So literally I would be seeing bones when I woke up from the ground, I guess. So let me wear this. So why is a full gauntlet gloves necessary? I'm going to tell you. So you'll need a full gauntlet gloves mainly to grip your hand so that the gloves won't go off from your hand. So the most important aspect you have to consider while you get your gloves is that they should not go or they should not wear off from your hand in the event of a crash. So if you notice the Viaterra gloves here, it has double strap, one for the wrist to lock, so you can lock at your wrist like this, and the other one is below that, which completely secures and tightly grips your hand so that the gloves won't come off. So this is how the gloves will look. So this usually holds your riding jacket. If you are wearing leathers or your riding jacket, it will hold your jacket so that it won't go off from your hand. First of all, it will be locked very tight at this part, your wrist here. So it's very important to get a full gauntlet gloves, guys. So in semi gauntlet you won't have two straps or two velcros to securely grip your hand. So that's the reason I suggest only full gauntlet gloves over semi gauntlet. And just take a look at this. So these are very high quality gloves, guys, from Viaterra. I picked this one up because it has all the safety features. Very good leather, thick solid full grain leather. It will definitely take a lot of abrasion and impact. So these are the knuckle protectors. You have palm sliders here. So these palm sliders are very important, guys. If there is no palm slider, right, if there is only leather, it's easy, you know, when you rub your hands on the tarmac, it's easy to reach your skin faster. So if you have palm sliders here, this will you know, consume time for it to wear first and then reach your skin. So it's gonna take a lot of abrasion compared to normal just leather gloves. So you can see here, so this is the complete Viaterra gloves. The other set I have is the Alpinestars. It's called GP Plus R. So this Viaterra, the exact model name I don't know. I have given the link in the description. You can go through it and check it out. So these will cost you about 5,000 rupees exact, and this is the L size gloves. Yeah, and also these Viaterra gloves, they come with a rubber stripe here on the left gloves. You can see here there is a rubber stripe. So this is to, you know, clean your visor if there is a rainfall or something when you're touring. So this will help you clean the you know, your visor, helmet visor. So this acts like a wiper, guys, basically. So the other set is my Alpinestars. I have not even opened yet. So Arjun Tyagraj, bro, if you're watching this, thanks a lot for getting me these gloves from Sweden. So he's my friend actually. I bought it through him. I ordered these on fcmoto.de, guys, very famous website for motorcycle enthusiasts, because you get all kinds of gears, helmets, anything from that website, especially for bikers. So these are the brand new set. Even those are brand new, but I have not opened these yet, so I'm just opening it now. So these are from Alpinestars, guys. GP plus R they call it. These are superior MotoGP level gloves to match my Supertech R boots from Alpinestars. So if you have not watched my riding boots collection video, here's the link, please watch it. So this I bought it to match my Supertech R boots. So this is even more secure, guys. I'll tell you why. I'm gonna wear it and show you. So this one, a small strap they've given to, you know, link both the gloves and keep it so that you won't lose one. So let me wear this. So the speciality of these gloves, again, the function is the same, basically to protect your hand. Nothing special, but the quality of the leather, the quality of the inside material is very premium. You'll feel very comfortable wearing this. And there are vents here and there to keep your hand cool. So there are a lot of extra premium touch given for these gloves. So these will cost you about 13,000 rupees. So now they are in discount. You can get it for 10,000 rupees because there is a new version of the same model. So GP plus R version 2 they call it. When I bought it, it was around 13,800 I think. Bad luck, guys. I should have waited another 2 weeks more, so price would have gone down to 10k. Anyways, I got it, so let's forget it. So this has a even more secure fit. So one for the wrist to lock it here like this. And there are two velcros here. First, you're gonna have to lock your this thing, and then on top of this you'll have to pull the second one. So this will firmly grip your hand and never let the gloves to fall off from your hand. Even these gloves have palm sliders, you can see it here. So knuckle protectors. So very comfortable fit, you know, very premium touch. When you wear them, you'll feel it. So like I said, these are double strap, one from the left, one from the right, and then again for the wrist part. So which will completely secure and grip tight to your hand. Yeah, I almost forgot, both these gloves have pinky finger bridge. Do you see this here? So this won't let your pinky finger and your ring finger to separate when you crash. So even the Alpinestars have the pinky finger bridge. This is very much required, guys. So all these will matter if you're a track rider and a very fast competitive rider, you know, you get into competitions and stuff. But for normal riding, it doesn't usually matter, but still, on a safety aspect, it's very much required, guys. So it will keep your fingers secure. So let me wear the Alpinestars to one hand and Viterra to the other. So like I said, they both are almost similar in their construction, but the Alpinestars is again next level. They are MotoGP level. So I'll wear the Viterra to my left hand and show you. So guys, the link for the Alpinestars is also in the description. Please go check it out if you're really interested. It's from the fcmoto.de link. That's where I bought them. So there you go, guys. Both the gloves side by side. So in the Alpinestar gloves, you don't get these rubber wiper kind of thing that you have in Viterra. So that's much about it, guys. So I'll keep these things aside, and I have seen many people using these Chulto Pulto gloves. I'll show you. To be frank, even I use it, guys, you know, to my office and stuff, just to protect my hand from dust. Not that they will keep my hand safe, but they will keep my hands away from the dust at least. So I'm going to show you those Chulto Pulto gloves. The reason I want to show you is because I've seen many people using these gloves thinking they will protect your hands. So these gloves are the ones I'm talking about. See here, this is the monster gloves. This is only for weather condition, guys, at least to protect your hand from dust. Basically there's no protection at all. Look at this, nothing in this. It won't even last 1 second when you fall. There's no point of wearing these gloves if you are riding fast and you think these gloves will protect you. No, this is only for your weather conditions, to protect your hand from cold, dust, that's it. When you fall, these are useless, absolutely. I use it for my bicycle actually. I go cycling every morning. So I use it for the during my cycling to keep my hands warm. because it's very cold outside in the mornings. So again, these gloves, guys, this is half. So let me wear it and show you. These are half gloves. I've seen many people using these kind of gloves. I mean, there's nothing wrong in it, but still, what I want to tell you is, if you fall right, first of all, your fingers are exposed. So your fingers, you can put some masala and dip it in an oil pan and then start eating like kebab. So that's what your hands will become if you wear this and ride fast. So please don't think these gloves will protect you in any manner. They won't. They won't last even 2 seconds in a crash. Trust me, I've been there, I've seen it. So maybe to look, it will look fancy like a boxer or something, but still, guys, completely avoid these kind of gloves. Maybe for your cycling or something else you can use, but for riding, especially riding fast, forget these gloves. They are not at all safe. Also, like I've already told you in my riding boots video, fit is very important, guys. Please buy always something which is tight fit. So if you take these gloves, these are L size. The previous ones that I had were XL size. So what happens is that when you keep wearing these often, right? So I wore my previous gloves, the Aspida Phaeton gloves, for almost 2.5 years. So in the end, I mean, in the last stages of its life cycle, they were too loose. I used to wear them on my every single ride, so they had become very comfortable, but again loose at the same time. So that's the reason probably they went off from my hand and they were not there at all. But thank God, at least they saved 70% of the abrasion. Otherwise, I would have had to forget my hands by now. So always buy something which will be a tight fit when you wear them. So eventually they will undergo 10% expansion. So these leathers, they will expand in the pressure points, like if you're applying brake levers or clutch levers and holding on to your handlebars, so they will start expanding at these pressure points. So eventually they will undergo at least 10% of the expansion, so that's how they will stay. So initially if you buy something which is very tight, then later it will be perfect for usage. So that's about the gloves, guys. Rest of my riding gears video is coming soon, step by step. So I request you all to be safe, ride safe, always wear your gears. Do not forget. So I'll see you later, guys. Peace.